Welcome to the best pizza channel.
You're gonna have to put more, my friend. Only the best right here. Only the best.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Voila! Take a look of this pizza. Boom, baby! Fire up the oven, bring it to temperature. Hello guys from Maestro with Hugo Pelli. Smoky, that's what I like. Today is going to be outstanding. Today is gonna be fantastic. Too much smoke. Wait right there. Today is going to be amazing. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe. It's free. It's lovely, free, only for pizza lover this channel. Guys, welcome to Maestro with Hugo Pelli. Today we are gonna make something very like tacos. Tacos, my favorite food, guys, but I have a special friend here. Go, set up the camera right there. Come here, my friend. Come here, Erick. Come here. Camera is set. He's also an amazing videographer. Everything. So, like you see, it's fit. This channel is about fitness. What I love is fitness and food because he prepares healthy food, healthy meals. Some amazing fitness video, guys. You have to check him out because he's here with me today because he's going to make some original tacos. A la mexicana, al pastor. We're gonna make a pastor.
We're gonna make steak.
Steak.
Arrachera.
Vámonos, amigo. Vámonos. So, you can enjoy this video, guys. Watch until the end. Check this guy out because he deserves. Go ahead, subscribe, guys. It's free. It's free. How I gotta tell you that? Let's go ahead. We're gonna teach you how to make tacos. Basically, he's going to make the tacos with the pizza dough. Remember, the tortillas is going to be with the pizza dough. And at the end, I'm going to make whatever he's using for the tacos. I'm going to make Neapolitan pizza with the Mexican ingredients. So we're gonna call this pizza the Neapolitan Mexican pizza. How you like that?
There you go. Love it. Amazing. The one and only Vito Jacopelli. Thank you very
That's
much.
what I'm talking about.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. He's a master. He's the one and only. All right. He's the best in the world. All right. Me personally, he's the best.
Tacos. Let's go enjoy this video. So now, let me explain you a little bit also to you what we're gonna do today. So basically today, you are going to make original tacos. What's the name again?
Mexican tacos arrachera.
Arrachera. I'm going to make the tortillas with Neapolitan pizza dough. He's going to prepare all the ingredients. At the end, I'm going to make, actually, after we make these fabulous tacos, cook in a wood burning oven, I'm going to show you how to make a Neapolitan pizza with Mexican ingredients. So, Neapolitan pizza, Neapolitan Mexican pizza. That's the right name. Okay, let's go. Let's get into this. What we got here?
All right, so we got onions, we got cilantro, we got our green salsa.
Salsa.
Yeah, there you go.
Salsa, vámonos. This is gonna be really good for my pizza, man.
Absolutely. We got two different groups, okay?
All right.
I'm a green sauce guy.
I think I'm a green salsa. I never tasted.
There's people that really hate the green sauce and they go with red.
I'm gonna taste it like this.
Perfect.
And this is the key ingredient.
There you go.
Go open up. Let's get ready.
Arrachera.
But the
Let's
grill
do
is
it.
ready. Yeah, warm up. Nicely.
Perfect. It's already seasoned.
Aha.
It's ready to go.
Where do you got this from? Local Mexican store?
Exactly. Local Mexican store.
You know, we are in Los Angeles. Here it's like in Mexico. We have some Mexican store here. Exactly. So you get in, you speak Spanish. Por favor, carne.
Yep.
Nice,
There you go.
beautiful.
Nice.
Right, open up.
Perfect. There you go.
Beautiful.
Arrachera.
Arrachera. What kind of piece of this is? Which piece of the cow is this?
It's the flank, so it's the bottom of the cow, and it's pretty much the staple of the steak. So this is the best you can actually make for a steak taco.
Take a close look. Smells really good, man. Can't wait. Oh
Amazing.
my God, let's go.
Let's do it. All right.
Nice and hot.
Nice.
One more? Extra.
Ahí está.
Ahorita, vámonos.
All right, so this is gonna be an epic cheat meal. This is the first perfect combination. I said, you know what? I gotta have an epic cheat meal.
This is one extra.
This is the guy I thought about first. I was like, you know what? Vito talked came up with some ideas, and we came up with a steak Mexican Napolitan pizza.
Fantastic. You know, my favorite food is the tacos.
Ah.
I love tacos, man. When I don't eat pizza, I eat tacos.
Eesh.
So I go right here, a local Mexican guy. Hey, my amigo, por favor, carne asada taco.
Ah,
por
there you
favor.
go.
No cilantro for me. No, gracias.
You know what? This is gonna be a tough one, guys. You know why? Because I'm used to eating handmade tortillas from home. You make them at home, nice handmade tortillas. Oh, the best. But I think he's just gonna change the game right now. He's gonna make dough tortillas. I think that's just gonna change everything. That's gonna change
Well,
everything.
for sure it's healthy though.
Oh,
Very simple. Because that's the channel what is about. Simple, you're gonna learn the art of food.
para empezar,
You guys do the siesta, we do espresso.
There
We
you
do
go.
siesta too in Italy.
it's not tequila, okay? It's espresso.
Pausa caffè.
And a little bit more. What do you think?
Look how tender it is. Whoa. Man, this is good, man.
Very thin, very nice, very
Volete
soft.
assaggiare un po' di carne?
You're gonna have to put more, my friend. Only the best right here. Only the best.
We have the dough. Boom, baby! That's what I'm talking about. So, basically, one dough is about 250 grams. Smells good, huh? We have 250 grams each ball. So basically, we're gonna make 4 tortillas from this. Okay, so basically, we're gonna make 4 tortillas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We make a circle, then we press everything. We take off all the air to the crust. And then we use our roller pin.
Órale.
Il segreto sta qui. And then we stretch. Take off everything, all the air to the crust.
You know what, guys? I think this is gonna be my
Voila.
new favorite tortilla.
We got 1 tortilla. Boom. Let's go ahead. Let's make the other one.
I might have to call Vito and say, Vito, can you make me some tortillas? I'm about to make some tacos right now.
Go for it. Call me. Call me anytime, my friend. Mexico e nuvole. Voila. Tortillas.
Wow. Órale.
Voila. If they're a little sticky, we get a little bit of flour.
Ah, okay.
Make a circle. Boom, boom, boom. Press. Guys, very easy to make. Make a circle, press all the air, and then one shot. One, and then make it across. Voila. And then boom. Hold on, a little bit bigger, then press. Voila.
No, pues el maestro, ¿no?
Now, the good thing, let's go in the oven. Oven is ready. Let's fix it a little bit of wood. And then here we're gonna go at 2 in a time.
Ah,
Place it 1. And 2.
órale.
Make a circle. But before that, we're gonna make a couple of holes because otherwise it's gonna pump up.
Ah.
Okay, let's go ahead. Let's put it in the oven. Oh, one shot. Let's wait.
Oh,
Did you see how fast it is?
wow. That was literally seconds, guys.
Yeah, because it's the first, so it's gonna.
So
voila.
fast.
We got one done, ready. The other one, flip it over and put them in the oven. Because it's the first taco, so the first pizza, so it takes. The first pizza here, it gets a little bit. It's too hot the oven right now.
Oh, okay.
Then
okay.
2, boom, ready. See,
Oh.
tortillas are ready. So we're gonna flip it over like this. Press it, and voila, we got the tortilla. Now watch. Let's go ahead. Let's make it. You can also make those in the grill.
Oh, what? Dang. I should have known that better. He has it all figured out.
Voila. Okay,
Wood
let's go-
oven? No problem. I'll do it in the grill.
Voila. Boom. Yeah, if you don't have an oven, you go in the grill. How simple is that? So now you'll see that this is gonna cook a little bit
Slower?
evenly. Yeah, a little bit slower.
Okay.
Voila.
Oh,
Flip
yeah,
it
yeah.
over and then boom in the oven. See how they pump up?
Yeah, yeah.
Then boom in the oven.
Nice.
Voila.
Oh,
Ready? One.
that's honestly so much easier than handmade tortillas. I'll tell you that much.
And two. Voila.
Ooh.
How easy was that?
Ya quedó. Perfecto. Easy.
Easy peasy. Perfect tortilla. Voila. Tortillas are nicely ready. Nice and soft. Fantastic. Now we're gonna fill it up and eat these tacos. Let's go.
There you go. Perfect.
So like this strip
Yep, that's
or
it.
a little square?
No, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah,
That's it.
let's go.
I like mine's medium. How you
Yeah, I like
yours?
a medium too.
Okay. You first put the meat. Ahí está.
Ahorita.
There you go. And then obviously you put your onions right there.
Oh, yeah. Cilantro.
Cilantro. There you go.
And la salsa.
Y la salsa. There you go. Like I said, I like mine's green. A mí me gusta verde. Y, you know.
Woohoo!
There you go. We'll put this here.
Oh my God. Oh, this is mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Man, take a look of this beauty.
Boom.
Take a look of this beauty, guys. Nice Mexican tacos with Italian Neapolitan pizza dough. Now is the moment of the truth.
Ooh.
Are you ready? I like the spicy green. It's spicy. It's really good. Oh my God. I want to try to make it too.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah? I'm glad he liked it. I was very nervous. Trust me, I was very nervous.
I'm gonna put this on the side. So we get the tacos. Boom, boom, boom. Then we get a little bit of meat. Place it right there.
Nice.
Maybe extra.
Yeah, there you go.
Then we put a little bit of onions. Cho, 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 cho. It's very easy to make the tacos. Then we put some cilantro.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Ta, 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 ta. And then we put a little bit of salsa verde.
Yeah.
Salsa verde on top. Pum, pum, pum. Is enough or you want more?
That's perfect. Perfecto.
And the tacos is complete. My friend, now it's your turn. You tell me if I did a good job.
Ooh,
Well, it's not
all right.
hard to make.
There we go.
Let me tell that you taste, I taste.
Mmm.
I want to hear from you tasting for the first time with this tortilla.
Oh, so much better. So much better. A lot of flavor. Very soft. The difference between a tortilla and this is soft. It's nice. It's more enjoyable. It's very flavorful.
It's different.
Perfect.
Even when I taste tacos with this dough, it's my first time tasting tacos with the Neapolitan pizza dough. Are you guys ready for the pizza, Neapolitan pizza with tacos ingredients? Smash that like if you are ready. Clean up everything. We're gonna create this pizza
Okay.
with the same ingredients that you made,
Perfect.
the tacos. So
It's
voila.
gonna be much better. Oh,
Okay, we got the pizza dough. Then we stretch,
nice.
stretch.
Perfect.
A little bit of flour if it's sticky, and then boom, 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 voila. 1, 2,
Ooh.
3. Boom, 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 voila, the pizza is ready. So now, as a base, we're gonna go ahead and put the spicy, what's the name of this?
Green salsa.
Green salsa, salsa verde.
Salsa
Salsa
verde.
merengue. So we're gonna put this as a sauce, a little bit extra. We put at the top level right there.
Oh.
We're gonna put some, forgot the name,
Arrachera.
arrachera meat. Fantastic, bella abbondante.
Yeah.
Nice extra.
My personal favorite, steak. Steak
Arracheta.
tacos right here. Yeah, arrachera.
Take tacos. Perfect. Now we got put the white onions on top,
Of course.
just like that. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of extra ingredients, which is the cheese, the mozzarella.
Perfect, perfect.
Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
You give me your consent?
Approved.
Approved. Perfect.
Approved.
Just a little bit. Lightly of mozzarella. Now we can
Nice.
go ahead and put the pizza in the wood burning oven. So pinch it and then boom, under. Voila, make a large 12 inches pizza and then boom, 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 we're gonna go ahead and cook it. Voila. Now, the moment of the truth.
The
We're
moment.
gonna cook it and then we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Are you ready?
Ready.
Voila! Take a look of this pizza. Boom, baby! Take a look of this pizza. Guys, how many likes? How many likes of this Neapolitan Mexican pizza? Let's see. Let's get 5,000 likes at least.
5,000.
5,000 likes for this Neapolitan Mexican pizza. Fantastic, guys. I think it's good.
Ooh.
I think it's good, but we have to taste it.
Yes,
The
yes.
moment of the truth is
The
the
moment.
taste. It smells good.
It smells
Smells good. The taste, so we have to see
Yeah.
if the pizza really tastes like a taco.
Oh, okay, okay.
We got this taco right there. I just made it for myself. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh. So let's go ahead. Let's cut this pizza.
Nice. What do you guys look for in the pizza?
What are we looking for?
Yeah.
Soft and crunchy in the same time.
Okay, okay. There you go. That's what we're looking for.
The flavors, you know, it's important, but it's no pineapple, so I'm good. Even if I think that the pineapple on this pizza should be good. I saw some,
Oh, you know what? You're right. Al pastor has pineapple, but he will not. He will not. No.
no.
Not here.
No pineapple
Nah.
on the pizza on this channel,
No.
guys. Go for it.
All right.
Go, your turn.
Oh, perfect.
Well, it looks like a tacos, man.
Ah.
Well, nice
Oh,
and well
no.
done on the bottom. Nice, perfect.
There you go.
So are you ready? Chin chin.
Cheers.
Wow, my friend. So the taste, to be honest, it tastes better on the pizza than the tacos because maybe the salsa verde, when it cooks, it lost a little bit the spices.
Exactly. Yep.
With the cheese, it became a little bit more sweet and
Yeah.
tastes fabulous.
Oh.
Guys, trust me. Try this at home. I'm gonna keep going.
Oh, absolutely. Hey, I don't blame him because the salsa verde is not as spicy as when you're eating it as a taco because obviously he put it in the oven. So everything marinated with the onion, it's such a good flavor combined with the onion and the sauce together. And the cheese, and obviously the steak. I mean, you cannot go wrong, honestly. You cannot go wrong. It's absolutely delicious from the man himself,
I have to say that
the man of the house.
the ingredients on this pizza, well, always tacos and pizzas, the same ingredients for the tacos, they will be. This is my first time ever in my life
Eesh.
made a pizza like this. First time ever in my life, after made millions and millions of pizzas,
Wow.
made a taco pizza.
Oh, hey,
Outstanding.
and the sauce was made at home. Homemade salsa. This was not bought at store. This was homemade. Homemade, just like this one too.
This one stays here, huh?
Hey, by all means, you could call me. Let me know if you need some more. I'll bring you some more.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, guys.
Also, follow him, Vito Jacopelli.
Hey, it's only for pizza lovers.
Only pizza lovers. If you live and if you like cheap meals and if your go-to is pizza, like me, subscribe.
A lot is coming. Hold on a sec. Wow. Wow. Definitely we're gonna make it one more, huh?
Oh yeah, one more.
Guys, make sure before you leave, please check his channel out. Help to reach the first 10,000 subscribers, and let's go. Subscribe to his channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because this channel is only for pizza lovers. Pizza lovers. Go ahead right now, smash the like, and comment below. If you think, tell me what you think. I would love to see your comment. Ciao.